Okay, here's a website which I am designing. I'm still on the home page, but if I try to go to customize to do some changes on the headers, as you can see here, the global header is not working. It's not active, and for that reason I cannot change the header here. I cannot modify it the way I want, and also I cannot add a transparency effect. To fix it, I go to the dashboard, I go to the plugins. As you can see, maybe before that, the only plugin I have right now is Elementor and under construction, and I have to add a new plugin. It's from Creative Themes. It's called Companion. Blocksy Companion. I click install now. I activate. And now if I go back to the website, this is the home page where we started from. As you can see, there's no change, but if I go to customize and go back to header and then go to headers and global header, right now you can see it's working. And so if I turn on the sticky functionality here, this effect is now working on the website. I'm not sure if you're able to see it here, but let me publish it, let me save it, and then let me refresh this page. And so right now you can see that the header is sticky. And then also, if I want to make it transparent, I can also turn it on. And right now, I'm not sure if you can see it here. Okay, let me publish it and go to this window and refresh. So right now you can see that it's also transparent here. Yeah, you see it, it's all fixed, it's all working now. This is how to solve the issue, this is how to solve the problem. I hope you find this video very helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if I was able to help you, and please consider to subscribe to this channel and like the video. And yeah, I really wish to see this channel growing. It's just new, and the people that I will be helping, just like you, I expect them to like and subscribe to the channel as a giveaway. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Bye.